जिंदगी गले लगा दे, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा दे, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना. So you're wondering why all of a sudden I'm singing this very beautiful song from the film Salma. Well, the reason of this song is actually a very it's very close to me. This song is very close to me because this song has always taught me uh, a lot of things in my life, which I really want to share with you all because हमें मौके नहीं मिलते लाइफ में कि कभी हम वो चीज़ सबसे शेयर करें, क्योंकि कुछ कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं ना लाइफ में which we really we don't want that chapter to be read by any of our close ones. So see, no one is actually really interested to know your personal life, and even some people are there who don't want to share their own mistakes which they have done. उनको ऐसा होता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे ये वो, तो इतने दिनों से मुझे भी वही था. इवन आई हैड द सेम थिंग दैट यार, but then I realized that my mistakes are my mistakes, not your mistakes. So I really don't regret committing those mistakes of my life. So I committed a lot of mistakes in my life because I always believe in in this one word that learn. So if you don't commit mistakes, how will you know that you are doing it right or doing it wrong? And how will you rectify yourself and how will you learn from your mistakes? So I always believe that you have to learn from your mistakes. So I'm very liberal to myself. I always allow myself to do mistakes, and that भी खाओ, mistakes भी करो, सीखो भी. But yes, don't commit a mistake. Twice mistake is allowed. मतलब 2 बार वो same mistake करो, twice you are doing the same mistake, it is okay. But don't repeat it always, because if you knew that direction is wrong for you, the direction is not right for you, it is going to give you trouble. So it's okay ना, don't go to that direction only. Just अपना direction मतलब change कर लो and just go to some other mistakes. Don't commit same mistakes every time. It's so boring. So just commit some other mistakes. So I take my life in that way, in that positive way, that एक ही मिस्टेक बार बार दोहराने से क्या फ़ायदा, कुछ और मिस्टेक्स करते ना. मिस्टेक्स करना चाहिए because we are human beings and we tend to do mistakes, and that is a parts and parcel of my life or of our life. So yes, the mistake which I did, one mistake which I really want to share with you all, and कुछ अगर आप मेरे मिस्टेक से कुछ सीख पाते हो तो definitely I will be very very happy. Because I maybe मेरी वजह से किसी को कुछ पॉजिटिव ये मिले, मौका मिले कुछ करने का. So see, when I was doing my masters, I had an opportunity to work with a very reputed bank. I was working there. So because of my marks, my grades, my schooling, everything, so I got a very good package at that moment, at that point of time, like before, like it was a long, maybe 10 years back. But due to some unfortunate incident, I had to leave the job because I was not able to cope up with my then like at that moment my managers who were there. So I couldn't cope up with that thing. So I was like, I can say that I couldn't fight back. I lost that battle and revolt नहीं कर पाई. हो सकता है मैं उसको झेलने का मेरे पास वो नहीं था, दैट करेज नहीं था. सो आई हैड टू लीव बिकॉज मास्टर्स कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुआ वो मोमेंट पे. आई वाज फीलिंग यार और मिल जाएंगे मौके, जाने दो. मतलब आई नेवर हैड दैट इंटेंशन ऑल्सो टू गेट इन टू अ, यू कैन से, अ ट्रबल. I felt rather than getting into trouble, I maybe leave that place and concentrate in my studies at that point of time. So I left. But the most important mistake I would say that leaving that place without fighting back. See, leave करना नहीं करना, definitely it was up to me. But fight back करके जाना चाहिए था. But वही मैंने नहीं किया. Which actually, first of all, losing 11 months of my job, of moment was a big mistake of my life, because after completing my masters also, whenever I was going to some place for job, I had to start afresh. So 11 months तो मेरा गया ही. उसके बाद भी आई नो मुझे वो सैलरी पैकेज जो होता है ना वो टाइम पे, इट वॉज नॉट गिविंग मी दैट सेटिस्फैक्शन, बिकॉज फ्रेशर्स के लिए एक सैलरी पैकेज डिफरेंट होता है एंड एक्सपीरियंस के लिए ऑब्वियसली इट्स डिफरेंट. सो आई almost gave my 11 months to a company and to a bank, and then I am again starting refreshing myself and starting again. So my salary was not giving me that satisfaction. So basically I was losing confidence everywhere, mentally भी and career wise भी, because मुझे ऐसा फील होना था ना कि I had this very strong feeling at that moment, that struggling period जो मेरा था जॉब का, it was very much giving me that pressure on my mind that why didn't I fight back, मुझे fight करना चाहिए था वो moment, and that actually was giving me a lot of moral down. It was giving me no confidence at all. I was feeling I was just good for nothing. Then I realized, I met my husband, and then I realized that not every dreams is related to your career or money. Some things are also about your passion, which I always had in my in a एक होता है ना अंदर मेरे हार्ट के एकदम दिल के एकदम बहुत अंदर रहता है कि एक ड्रीम है था मेरे, मतलब ऑलवेज आई हैड अ ड्रीम ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन, something creative of my own. So I always wanted to follow my passion, and now after almost 5 years of my married life, I finally found my passion, my dreams as a career option. Yes, right now I am trying to मेरे पैर जमाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ एज अ ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर, एंड learning a lot of things and committing a lot of mistakes every moment. But yes, that is actually giving me a lot of energy, moral support. My family, my mentors are all very much giving me that moral support. And yes, I'm learning a lot of things as a graphic designer, and I'm actually enjoying this career of this phase, because इसमें मुझे सीखने को मिल रहा है, इसमें मुझे अपने हिसाब से करने को मिल रहा है, नॉट लाइक जी हुजूर ओके हुजूर, बिकॉज आई वॉज नेवर अ 9 to 6 वाला जॉब, वो मेरे लिए कभी नहीं था. आई वॉज नेवर एवर इनटू दिस 9 to 6, मुझे किसी को सुनना पड़ेगा, किसी को हाजी मिलाना पड़ेगा. I was really not that kind of person. But yes, please guys, मेरे इस वीडियो से अगर आपको कुछ भी आपको फील हुआ कि yes, you need to follow your dreams, just follow your dreams, because your dreams, your passion is only close to your heart, and only you will understand the value. And unless you value your own dreams, no one will ever do that. So please follow your dreams, make your passion your career, and not don't give up on your passion and just work like a robot. Thank you so much. Please be with me, and to know more about my life, my struggles, my experiences. Some are funny, some are very good, some are bitter, and some has no value also. Some has nothing important, but still it is important. So please be with me and stay with me.